Let's see how to set the mesh length. Find the parameter setting and password, 8888. Press enter when finished typing in. There are two models of counting, by shaft quantity or whole quantity. For example, you want it run 10 shaft perimeter quantity. You can also set counting by whole quantity. For example, you need run it for 10 numbers of whole size. Turn on the machine. It will count how many whole it works. Until it finish the quantity you set in. Clear it if you want to make different length. And we will run it for another 5 holes as sample. Make the clear model 0. Remember this position. We need set the counting on touch screen. When the machine finish the mesh making, you need cut the mesh at same position. Always leave this part mesh on the machine. For example, this mesh finished. You just cut it at same position and make another roll.